How to fix birthday error on TikTok Lite. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix the birthday error on TikTok Lite. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the TikTok Lite application on your mobile device. Now here, simply go to the profile at the bottom left corner. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now simply select account and again select account information. Ensure that you have entered the correct date and year, as TikTok requires users to be over 13 years to use the platform. Now after that, save changes and restart the app. If you still see the error, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling TikTok Lite. So this is how to fix birthday error on TikTok Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.